Hello, and welcome to another Doodle Duel.
I'm Miss V.
And I'm Miss C.
We have a new duel based on a holiday. It is a holiday about helping Mother Nature replenish and keeping our ecosystem healthy. Can you guess what it is?
It's also coming up really soon. If you guessed Earth Day, you're correct.
Earth Day is just around the corner on April 22nd, and we demonstrate our support for environmental protection.
There are plenty of things you can do to support our ecosystem, but just to name a few on how you can make a difference at home. You can spend less time on your phones or limit screen time, power off computers when not being used, stop using straws or plasticware, recycle, and turn off lights when you leave a room.
Wow, Miss C, those sound like awesome tips on how we can help our environment. Now going back to our main topic, we will be drawing people participating in Earth Day. In my drawing, I want to show that a great way to limit plastic waste is by using a reusable cup. My character here is purchasing a coffee to start her day, but she remembered that a great way to help the Earth be healthier is to use reusable coffee cup.
Wow, she sounds smart. Plastic waste can dirty our oceans and harm animals and their habitats. For example, a turtle was found with a plastic straw sticking out of its nose, and that sounds painful. Imagine swimming in the ocean minding your own business, and all of a sudden, a plastic straw gets jammed right up your nose. If we don't want that feeling, let's try to help our ecosystem not have that feeling too.
That's right, Miss C. If we want to help our environment, it's up to us to begin making changes to support it. I'm sketching out ideas and adjusting them on multiple layers because I'm trying to figure out my design. After finalizing everything, I merged the layers together to become one sketch layer.
Yep. I also have my character doing something to help the ecosystem as well. In my drawing, I drew a boy watering a tree in his room. He also has his lights turned off and all electronics are unplugged and turned off. Instead of using his lights, he uses the sun as a light source and also uses it to help his plant grow. As always, I like to start off with a rough sketch on how I want my shapes to be, and I'm also putting in main ideas of my image so I know what I want in the drawing for the long run.
That's a great way to save our energy and participate in Earth Day. By growing more trees, we can help the Earth produce a little bit more oxygen to help support our environment. Using less electricity in your household is a great way to rely less on carbon-intensive power plants. This will reduce your home's demand from the plant and thus reduce their carbon dioxide emissions.
That was a great explanation, Miss V. I also draw the background, the tree, the character, and the light direction in different layers and colors in order to help simplify piece by piece where I want each subject to be. After my sketch, I like to begin making my line work, but still keep the background, tree, and character in different layers. This helps me feel more organized when drawing and allows me to go back to fix mistakes when I find them without it bothering the entire image. Lastly, I block in the colors with simple shapes and begin to add details in clipping mask layers.
And then I realized it was kind of empty in the background, so I made a big window to bring in natural light.
At the very end, I like to put all my focus on lighting and shadows. My shadow layer is always in multiply mode with a lower opacity. On the other hand, my light layer is always on add mode, also with a lower opacity.
Hey, it looks like we're done. Let's share each other's work.
Miss V, your drawing looks awesome. I love the details you put in your coloring and how the light shines on the girl. I also hope this image will make more people want to use reusable cups when getting their coffee.
Thanks, Miss C. Your drawing is so cute. I really like how you've incorporated the sunshine with the tree and the shadowing underneath all the leaves.
Which one do you guys think should win this challenge?
Let us know. Also, we would love to see your work as well, so have your parents submit your art to us at media@teamprimetime.org. Please include project title, student's first name, grade, and school. Selected artwork will be highlighted on Team Primetime's website and YouTube channel.
This was a great duel. We hope to see you guys in our next battle.
Until next time. Oh, and don't forget, keep doodling!